Page 24, Unit 3. A-U, A-W. A. Listen and learn.
This is sauce. What's the middle sound in the word sauce?
Ah.
That's right. Ah, sauce. This is a prawn. What's the middle sound in the word prawn?
Ah.
That's right. Ah, prawn.
Page 24. B. Listen, point, and read. 1.
S, ah, s, sauce.
S. Ah. S. Sauce.
2.
August, August.
August. August.
3.
Prawn, prawn.
Prawn.
4.
Draw.
Draw.
Page 25. C. Listen and circle. 1.
Sauce, sauce.
2.
Brown, brown.
3.
Draw,
4.
prawn.
5.
House,
6.
August,
Page 25. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Draw, prawn, sauce, August.
Draw, prawn, sauce, August.
Draw, prawn.
Draw, prawn.
Sauce, August.
Sauce, August.
Sauce, August. Draw, prawn.
Sauce, August. Draw, prawn.
I draw and eat prawns.
I draw and eat prawns.
With sauce in August.
With sauce in August.
I draw and eat prawns. With sauce in August.
I draw and eat prawns. With sauce in August.
Page 26. A-L-L-W-A. A. Listen and learn.
This is a ball. What's the ending sound in the word ball?
All.
That's right. All, ball. This is water. What's the beginning sound in the word water?
Wa.
That's right. Water.
Page 26. B. Listen, point, and read. 1,
B. All, ball.
B. All, ball.
2,
All, tall.
All, tall.
3,
Water, water.
Water, water.
4,
Walk, walk.
Walk, walk.
Page 27. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Tall, walk, ball, water.
Tall, walk, ball, water.
Tall, walk,
Tall, walk,
ball, water.
ball, water.
Ball, water. Tall, walk.
Ball, water. Tall, walk.
The tall boy can walk
The tall boy can walk
with a ball in the water.
with a ball in the water.
The tall boy can walk with a ball in the water.
The tall boy can walk with a ball in the water.
Page 28. O-R, O-A-R. A. Listen and learn.
This is a horse. Do you remember the or sound? What's the middle sound in the word horse?
Or,
That's right. Or, horse. This is a roar. Do you remember the or sound? What's the ending sound in the word roar?
or.
That's right. Or, roar.
Page 28. B. Listen, point, and read. 1,
Horse, horse.
Or, horse.
2,
Fork, fork.
Or, fork.
3,
Or, roar.
Or, roar.
4,
Board, board.
Board, board.
Page 29. C. Listen and connect. What does the horse want?
Start at the horse. Draw a line to the car. Draw a line to roar. Draw a line to the sauce. Draw a line to the ball. Draw a line to the fork. Draw a line to the board. Draw a line to the water.
Page 29. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Horse, fork, board, roar.
Horse, fork, board, roar.
Horse, fork,
Horse, fork,
board, roar.
board, roar.
Board, roar. Horse, fork.
Board, roar. Horse, fork.
I draw a horse and a fork.
I draw a horse and a fork.
On the board and roar.
On the board and roar.
I draw a horse and a fork on the board and roar.
I draw a horse and a fork on the board and roar.
Page 30. A-U, A-W, A-L-L, W-A, O-R, O-A-R. A. Listen, circle, and write. 1,
Fork. Fork.
2,
Tall. Tall.
3,
Sauce. Sauce.
4,
Water. Water.
5,
Roar. Roar.
6,
August. August.
7,
Draw. Draw.
8,
Walk. Walk.
9,
Ball. Ball.
30. Now try these. Read. 1,
Wall. Wall.
2,
Sport. Sport.
3,
Laundry. Laundry.
4,
Saw. Saw.
5,
Wand. Wand.
6,
Oar. Oar.
Were you right?
Page 31. Story. B. Look and listen. Read along. The prawn in the water. 1,
It is August. My brother and sister play with a ball and an oar on the beach. I walk in the water with a net.
2,
The fish are too fast, but the prawn is slow. I catch the prawn in my net.
3,
My mother can cook the prawn, and I can eat it with sauce and a fork.
4,
Look! This prawn has brothers and sisters. It likes to play in the water, just like me. Goodbye, prawn.
New words.
Or, beach, cook,
Sight words.
goodbye.